Hello, beautiful people. Today I'm back with a very short video. Um, I will be discussing about the basics of stock market today. So we look at share some of the information about a share on a stock market, and but we don't know exactly what they all numbers and symbols and abbreviations are. So here I am going to explain it for you in just quick 5 minutes. I'm going to explain everything. So the first sign of see we seen here, I pick up a Tesla stock to explain all the information about Tesla stock or Tesla share. So this is a trademark we love about everyone who love Tesla. They love this sign. So what about Nasdaq? This is the stock listed on the Nasdaq stock exchange. So there are a couple of stock exchanges. So Tesla is listed on Nasdaq stock exchange. What next? The Tesla stock is abbreviated and represented in this way. So the ticker symbol used to represent the stock Tesla. What next is the dollar 419.40. This is the current price of one share of Tesla. And then there is a very small writing here. We usually see that's 1.62 plus or minus, and then very close to that they give a percentage of that. That's a share price increased or up 1.62 or 0.54% today. The next thing is market cap. That actually tell us a lot about the market positioning of that particular stock. The market cap is the whole volume of share combined. So in simply simplified way, market cap is share price multiplied by number of shares. The next thing is beta A. This is very important indicator. Um, if it is less than one, it actually indicates the stock volatility compared to overall market. So if it is less than one, the stock is less volatile. If it is more than one, the stock is highly volatile. 1.87 in Tesla is highly volatile. The next thing is EPS, earning per share. Tesla stock made 0.39 over last trading year. The next is average volume. That's the average number of shares of a specific stock traded each day. Next is dividend and yield. This is the annual cash dividend per share divided by the current stock price. In simplified way, this is the dividend paid to the stockholder by that particular Tesla company. So the Tesla currently is not paying any dividend. They are actually reusing all the profit to further growth and new innovation. So that's why it's zero. The next thing is the 52 weeks range are the lowest and highest of that stock price over the last 1 year, which is 52 weeks. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Do comments, like, and share, and kindly do comment on my videos what you would like to watch and how I'm gonna make the next video. Our journey to learn about stock market is keep on going. Thank you.